Welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss system of circles, important problems for intermediate examinations. Here, the question is given, find the equation of the common tangent of the circles x square plus y square plus 10x minus 2y plus 22 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 8 is equal to 0. See, when you have to find the common tangent of the given two circles, first you have to observe that the given two circles are in the form of general equation of the circle or not. So general equation of the circle is, we know that x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So these two circles are like in the form of general equation of the circle. So now when the given circles are in the general equation of the in the form of general equation of the circle, now take the given circles. So given that let S is equal to the first circle x square plus y square plus 10x minus 2y plus 22 is equal to 0. You say this is 1, and S dash is equal to x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 8 is equal to 0, which is the second equation of the circle. Now the equation of the common tangent, the equation of common tangent, the equation of common tangent of the given two circles of 1 and 2 is also s minus s dash is equal to 0. Is also s minus s dash is equal to 0. Now which implies the given equation of the circle S is x square plus y square plus 10x minus 2y plus 22 and minus of, so here x square plus y square and plus 2x minus 8y plus 8 which is equal to 0. So here also what you have to do, the second equation of the circle, we have to multiply all the terms in that. So with minus, then we get minus x square minus y square minus 2x plus 8y and minus 8 which is equal to 0. So now here x square y square gets cancelled. So here 10x minus 2x, so which is 8x, and here minus 2y plus 8y, that is plus 6y, and here 22 and minus 8, that is plus 14. So it is equal to 0. And further we can simplify that. So this is so 4x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0, which is the common tangent of the given two circles.